Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about the best bank account bonuses. Plus, we got a bunch of updates I want to share with you, profitable updates for the month of December 2021. So this is my monthly best of video. We have, I call it over $5,000 in bonuses easily, where you get paid to shop, get paid to trade, get paid for your direct deposit. So many ways to get paid in the month of December. So quick warning, this video is not short, but it is definitely profitable. And if you're interested in making money, I've been doing this for over 5 years. I've been making over $10,000 per year. So if this is the type of side hustle you're interested in, then grab your popcorn. All right, so I am a customer of all the things that are listed here. I'm not actually an affiliate or endorsed by any of them. With the exception of Covenant Eyes. This is for my own personal review, for informational purposes only, to help you make money. All the screenshots are from either the respective apps or the websites, and all the information is current as of the time of this recording. All right, so when was the last time your bank paid you to open an account? I'm going to share with you a whole bunch of different ways to make all sorts of money, the best up for December. I'm putting up videos usually 3 days a week, God willing, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Not everybody has time to catch all these, so these are the best of. So welcome to my monthly best of and update videos. There are thousands of reasons you want to watch this full video and subscribe to this channel for profitable content on a consistent basis. How much money am I talking about? I have a $2 million challenge for the year 2022. What does that mean? I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $2,000 from these videos in the year 2022. If you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor and smash a huge thumbs up. Do appreciate that. All right, so the first one is DCU, Digital Credit Union. This bank has been around for a long time, but now they're starting to pay you to become a member. And literally, you'll get paid $100 as a thank you for opening up a checking account and making 5 debit card transactions. Literally, they're paying you to shop. You don't have to switch your direct deposit for this one or anything like that. It is a referral-only offer. So, I would say qualifying activities within 90 days, you need to qualify to do one of these. And one of them is 5 debit card transactions within 30 days, within the same calendar month. So you can do 5 Amazon card reloads. You're going to spend money, do it 5 times, get $100. I mean, that is a phenomenal thing. Second thing they have to offer, which is also profitable, is 6.17% primary savings account on balances up to $1,000. That is huge. That's an extra $61.70. It would take you 617 years to make this type of money off the same amount from Chase or Bank of America or Wells Fargo for their savings account. So huge. Love seeing the Fed raise interest rates, and everybody makes more money if you got money to save. So as I said, this is a referral only offer. Here is, you can either screenshot it and type this in. You can hit the QR code, or you can email me and I'll shoot you this link right away. All right, so I made a full video on this with all the deets on it. So Digital Credit Union, super easy checking account bonus. You definitely want to check what this is all about. And I was going to have the, where do we go? Oops, my bad. I was going to have the link to this video right here so you can go through the whole thing, the process of applying and all of that. All right, moving along. This is another referral offer. The first $50 is a referral offer. It's a super short bit.ly code. You can type that in, or as I said, churningadventures@gmail.com, and I'll email you the code and you just hit it and start applying for it. So basically $50 when you join Christian Community Credit Union, register your information, and then you get a $200 bonus when you open your first CCCU checking account. There is, you do need to do a $200 direct deposit, which is really not that bad. Basically, you turn a $200 direct deposit into $450. $50 for the referral, $200 for the $200 direct deposit. That turns into $450. That's awesome. That's easy. Change one direct deposit to them, and you'll snag $250. That is awesome. So all the deets in this nationwide, easy $250 bonus. up here, link to that video right there. PNC. I am super excited that they finally, after they took over BBVA in the Texas area, they opened up a whole bunch of locations close by to me, but they would not do business accounts. So now they're finally doing business accounts, and I finally got approved for my first one. So talking about that, that's a $600 bonus between, you got a $200 account bonus, and there's a $500 one. Well, I don't have the money for the $500 one right now because that's earning money elsewhere, namely SoFi, and I'm about to jump into Capital One. But it's $200 for opening the account, putting over $5,000, and then you do 20 debit card transactions. Literally, you can just do 20 Amazon reloads. Super easy. And then I do plan on getting the credit card, spend $3,000, get a $400 bonus. So that's a combo stack of, for my case, $600. That's huge. Plus the 1.5%. So it's going to be more than 600, but nonetheless. Love this. Super easy. Make at least $3,000 in qualifying net purchases. I got property taxes I got to pay for anyways, so I'll be able to easily hit that. And they have 0% APR for 9 billing cycles, so I may open up some additional savings accounts with that. So as I said, update here. I got approved. Now I just need to apply for the credit card, and I'll make a update video in regards to collecting cash on that. So here is the video on that. This is a $600 to $900 plus combo bonus for business checking account. Many states, no direct deposit required. I have the link to this full video here. If this is something that interests you, check that out. PNC business checking account. They're like over 20 something states. So it is not nationwide. I primarily love sharing the nationwide offers, but this is over a whole bunch of states and includes Texas. So that's the most important state. All right, the next one is American Express. So I made a video about this before. Now I made an update video because American Express has just gone full-blown ridiculous with how much money literally they're just throwing at people to open up an account. So literally 60,000 MR points. That is huge. If you just cash it out from this account, that's $480 just to open up a checking account. And you don't have to do anything, like literally. You really don't have to do anything. Here's what you got to do. You got to transfer $5,000 within 20 days, maintain the average account balance of $5,000, and make 10 or more qualifying transactions within 60 days. So literally, transactions are not even debit card transactions. Last time I checked, I'm a high school math teacher, you can transfer $500 10 times, and that will get you everything you need to do. Only thing you're doing is you're transferring money, and you're going to collect, you're going to redeem it from here, and you get $480. That is huge. If you have the Amex Business Platinum, you can cash it out for 1 cent per point, which will give you the full $600 just for transferring $500 or $5,000, keeping it there for 60 days. Full video on this. American Express $600 business checking account bonus. Nationwide offer. This one's so hot it's got lava on the bottom. So link to that video up here. All right. So the next one is Chase Inc. card. Huge bonus. Like my most profitable hour before this offer was $1,500 in 1 hour. That went out the window with this Chase Inc. deal. Literally, I made over $2,300 in 1 hour. Maybe it took me an hour and 15 minutes, but still, that's a huge deal. If you're interested in this, I always recommend using a referral link to sign up for a Chase Inc. card. Everybody that I know of that's used, that qualifies, like you're under 524, and you actually have a business that would qualify for be able to get the card. Yeah, everybody I know that's used my links has gotten approved. All right, so I already have 3 Inc. cash cards. I had the trifecta, the Inc. Unlimited, the Inc. Cash, and the Inc. Preferred. So now I did product change, so the Preferred to a cash and Unlimited to another cash. So I got 3 cashes, and now I applied for a Inc. Unlimited card. And they got right now $900 bonus cash back after you spend $6,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after account opening. That's huge. That's a record offer right there. Unlimited 1.5% cash back. But that's not even the best part. The superpower for this card I haven't used before is 0% APR for 12 months. So if you want to learn how I turn this superpower into $2,307 on $25,000 in credit limit from my ink cards I had before, I combine them together. That's a 9.23% return on not my money. My money's spent. It's elsewhere. It's at SoFi and it's about to jump to Capital One, but it's on Chase's money. They're giving me over $2,300. If that interests you at all, then check out this video over here. I should have one last link for that one. All right, so the superpower of the Chase Ink Unlimited business card I never used until now. So that is a huge thing I'm super excited about. So I'm about to take this to the next level, actually. I'm looking at my own personal cards. I'm about to call Chase and product change out of my Freedom Unlimited, take my credit limit from that, and do the same thing. But I won't be able to make $2,300. It'll be more like $1,600, and then go from there. So super excited about that. Here's another one. Get paid to trade. That was in the intro to the video. Get a 10% return on your deposit with Axos Invest. So think a 10% return on a $2,000 initial deposit is possible in just 10 days. It is. Only thing you got to do is transfer $2,000, make 2 trades of at least $25. So you can put in stable value. So stock market goes up, stock market goes down. You're not going to lose a penny. You're going to get $200 off that. So earn $200 when you get started. It only takes minutes to apply. 60 days to hit it, and you'll get $200 deposited into your new account within 10 days after your first 2 trades. So that is huge. It reminds me I still need to make my trades. So there is a referral. So it turns into not 200, but you make 250 off of this if you use my referral code. Here it is here. If you want to screenshot that, if you want to hit on the QR code, or if you want to email me at churningadventures@gmail.com, or always in the description box down below, then I will definitely hit you up with the referral code so you can make $250 off of this. Made a video on this. Axos Bank, easy $250 brokerage and checking account bonus. New and existing customers are good for this. Nationwide offer. I don't know if I have any more of these things up here. If I don't, then this link will be at the back of the video where it's got the suggested videos that you can just hit onto. Profitable bonuses worth mentioning. Black Friday and all that Christmas shopping. December. People are just throwing money like at people who know how to take advantage of stuff, and it's just ridiculous. Capital One shopping. They have paid attention that I enjoy buying these Quill gift cards. Love Quill. It's a permanent 5%. It's owned by Staples. And they deliver their stuff through Staples trucks in my area, at least. But I get 5% back on these Chase Ink cards. I've been hitting these really hard. So it says earn $64.11 in shopping rewards for buying a Visa $300 card. Really? That's huge. If I had my 5% back, then that's $80 back just for buying a $300 Visa gift card. That is huge. That's through the Capital One shopping app. I made a video on the best, the September credit card of the month, Capital One Quicksilver, full 2002 review. I'm pretty sure I'm out of these tags up here. So this will be in the back of the video at the end here. Next one you want to check a look at. If you are in Amex, take a look at your offers and benefits. American Express gift card. Spend $1,000 or more, get 50% back. That's 5% back. Plus, this was on my Amex Blue Cash or Blue Business Cash card, where I get 2% back. So for spending $1,000 in gift cards, I got $70 back. And the $50, bam, I got credit AmexGiftCard.com. $50. Here's the funny thing about this. I used an Amex card to buy the Amex gift card, and I got declined for a security reason. It's like, why would you decline me when you gave me this offer? So I had to call in and say, hey, what's up with this? And they said, oh, we apologize, sir. You've been taken care of. Love Amex's customer service. Here's another one, Quill. If you are in Chase, this is on my Chase business card, quill.com. I think I mentioned Quill already. I love Quill. 20% back up to a $50 maximum is reached. So if I buy a $300 Visa gift card, I'm getting paid 65 with the 5% back on top of that. That is huge. I mean, as I said, they're just literally throwing money at people just to buy gift cards, which I'm using to pay bills. You know, why pay full price on bills? Amex offers another one, beautiful offer. Spend $250 or more at Lowe's, get $50 back. Definitely going to take advantage of that. Got some damage to my house from a recent storm, so I'm not going to pay full price to fix that either. Another update I wanted to fill y'all in on is Citi. Made this video here about Citibank, $200 checking account retention offer plus $2,000 in checking account bonus, nationwide offer, no direct deposit. So I finally did receive a resolution from this. So Citi, if you don't know, if you didn't watch that video, they offered me a $200 retention offer to keep my checking account open and spend $400. So I don't like keeping that account open because I got to keep $1,500 in there to keep it fee-free. I asked them for multiple times to provide something in writing. Send me an email, send me a text, send me a letter. They refused, but I said, well, whatever. I'll take you at your word. Make this work. So you can see here, I transferred money in to keep the account fee-free. I bought gift cards to pay off bills. Monthly service fee, I got hit with that. I said, hey, hit me back with the service fee. I'm doing this thing to the retention offer, so I spent the $400. And then finally, I called to follow up and said, hey, what's up with this? And they said, well, you actually need to spend $1,200 on the debit card to get the $200, and you don't qualify because you already ran out of time. They still wanted me to keep the account open. I said, no, thanks. They said, well, we'll send you a letter confirming your account closure. So Citi would not send me anything in writing stating the terms and conditions for a $200 retention offer to keep the account open, but they're willing to send me a letter saying your account's closed. I mean, that's just the ultimate face slap right there. I shut down that account. All right, now a sneak peek of what I'm working on and cannot wait to share with you. I've been working on this for a number of hours, probably a dozen hours already. So, Bank Account Bonus Central 2022 Year-End Review Special. Every bank bonus I collected in 2022. As I said, my goal, I've been doing this 5 years, my goal each year is 10,000. People ask me, how many should I open? How many can I open? My goal is until I hit at least 10,000. How much did I collect? Well, here's the thumbnail for that video. Coming out soon. Bank Account Bonus Central Verdict. I have never seen so many huge offerings going on at once. This is a very exciting time to be involved in this very profitable hobby. Take advantage of what banks are offering. They're throwing money at people just to become customers or recycled customers. So today's question is, how would I describe the Bible? Well, the Bible to me is the most important book. It has absolutely changed my life. Psalm 119, 162 says it best. I rejoice at your word as one who finds great treasure. There's treasure in these videos and finances and stuff like that. Excuse me. Psalm 119, 105 says, your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. I agree with that 100%. A lot more than any monetary gain you can get is knowing the scripture. It is a treasure. It is a lamp to your feet and a light to your path. At least it is to mine. There's an amazing website I want to share with you. It's called Got Questions. How can I be saved? About Jesus, who he is, why he came. He absolutely changed my life. You know, I can say that these are the best bank bonuses of the month of December, but this is the best thing truly of this video. Another thing I want to mention is Covenant Eyes. I am an affiliate for Covenant Eyes. You can't walk in freedom if you're addicted to different things like internet or online pornography. There's over 4 million websites with online pornography. It is an absolute epidemic, and you can't feel clean in your life with any addiction, especially one that brings the guilt and shame, such as pornography. What's going to protect you and your family from this thing? This is what I use, Covenant Eyes. It's what I recommend. It's on the computer I'm using to make this video. Laptop, cell phones. I don't want my kids typing in something. They're looking for something. They type in something wrong and something pops up that they shouldn't see. There's also accountability on this, so it is definitely something that I recommend. I have a link in the description box down below. I have an affiliate code of Bank Bonus. Try it out. See if it's something that'll benefit you. Get your first 30 days free. Finally, if you're still here with me, I still have comments off for these videos, but I can be reached, as I said multiple times, churningadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you. And finally, if you're still here with me, thank you. Please like this video, profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who'd be able to benefit, and subscribe with bell notifications. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.